Setting up keyboard shortcuts. To do this in Google Chrome, you need to go to the top right hand corner of the screen to the three lines, click on that, go down to More Tools, then move over and down to Extensions. Here we have the current extensions in Google Chrome. Scroll right to the bottom to the keyboard shortcuts link, click on that, and then look for TabsFolders. It appears right at the bottom for me. And we have different options here. We can have a shortcut to activate the extension, organize bookmarks and tabs, store current window, and store only this tab. So let's create a shortcut to the organize bookmarks and tabs. Click in the box right next to it, and now you need to use your keyboard to type a shortcut. So I'm going to use Control D, press Control and then D. And then when you're ready, press OK. So let's try this out. So I'll press Control D, and it takes me straight to the organizing bookmarks page.